Many people believe financial security will arise once they start earning more money. But for many, that moment never arrives. Even with salary increases, financial pressure often remains. Why do so many people never truly feel financially secure? A common belief is that financial security exists in the future. People think reaching a salary or milestone will remove stress. As income increases, expectations often follow. People upgrade their lifestyle, taking on larger responsibilities. Financial security can feel like a moving target. Lifestyle upgrades mean chasing the next level of comfort. Fixed expenses are critical. They create perpetual financial pressure, forcing people to maintain higher income levels. Examples of fixed expenses include rent, car payments, insurance, and subscriptions. Money has a psychological dimension. People often feel insecure about finances, even when stable, due to constant comparisons. Those feeling secure focus on awareness and control. They understand their expenses and avoid unnecessary pressure. Long-term thinking is vital too. Short-term choices can lead to long-term consequences. Financial security isn't just about income. It's about balance between income, expenses, and understanding. Invest in your financial education, as understanding money is one of the most valuable investments you can make.